droga sa ngayon. Since we are talking about operations of PDEA against illegal drugs, may I just also ask Mr. Chair to Director General Lasso. Last May 2, 146.2 million worth of shabu was seized in Zamboanga City. Totoo po ito, Director General?
You may answer, General Lasso.
Totoo ba ito, yes or no?
Can I just ask our operations officer to make sure, Your Honor? Your Honor, can we just check with our office? We don't have the copy of the report right now. We are just checking if there is really an operation that was conducted or not, Your Honor.
Opo. At may karagdagang tanong lang po ako, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, nakarating po na ngayong araw na ito, no, may report na nakatakas daw yung mga presong involved mula dito sa PDEA detention cell. Totoo ba ito?
Your Honor, that's true. At 3 a.m. this morning, it is now being investigated by the regional director in coordination with the Philippine National Police.
Ano bang nangyari, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, what I got is that they were able to open the roofing of the jail facility. We were on our way here to attend the hearing when I was talking to our regional director, so I still don't have so much details about the incident, Your Honor.
Yun po ang problema dito, Mr. Chair, no? Pag bumalik na naman po ang illegal na droga, babalik na naman ang kriminalidad, babalik na naman po ang korupsyon sa gobyerno. Habang pinag-uusapan natin dito, itong issue ng sa PDEA, meron pang malaking problema ang ating PDEA, nakatakas pa, nahuli na nakatakas pa. So, yun lang po, Mr. Chair. Magtulungan po dapat ang gobyerno para masugpo itong kinakatakutan nating illegal na droga, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Your Honor, Senator Bongo.